Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a server on Discord. So if you want to build your Discord community, you can start by creating a server. First, you can go to the homepage of your Discord, then click on this servers. Here you can see there is this create your server option, so just tap on that. So your server is where you and your friends hang out, make yours and start talking. So in here you can create your own, or you can start from a template. For example, I'm going to just go with friends. In here, choose whether you want to create server for a club or community, or just for me and my friends. So I'm going to go with my friends. Here you can upload a photo to make it as the the profile of your server, and here you can set the server's name, and after that you can just click on create server. Now you can just share this link or add some people into the server. You can also skip this part, and here you can see this is my server has been created, and you can just add your friends by clicking on this plus icon and invite them to the server. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.